Okay, boys, are we ready for some new toys? So, first, we picked out for you another jingle ball. Oh, do you like that? Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, goodness. What's going on over there? Oh.
That's Khalid.
What are you doing, Khalid? Okay, so the Jingle Bell ball was not an instant hit. Let's see. Nope, not too exciting. The shopping bag, however, is a big hit. Okay, how about a rope toy? What's that? This is not going well. So far they like feet and flip-flops. Oh, Sadie says she would like that. Oh. What is that? Oh, Lil Naz is gonna go see. Oh.
Sadie's a puppy in her.
Puppy ears. Okay, now what about this guy? Is very similar. Oh, it doesn't have a squeaker. I thought this one had a squeaker. Oh, he has a squeaker in the tail.
Sadie on that one, mate. Oh.
What is that? Did you see that, boys? What is that? Oh. You're just looking for a place to nap? What is that? What is that? Oh, there he goes. There's that Drake. Oh, you think Drake? Oh, and we got some wrestling.
He's caught it.
Oh.
Fox mouth thing.
It's like unidentifiable animal. What are you doing over here? Are you kicking Jingle Bell balls? You gonna climb in my lap? Sweet boy. All right, let's see what else we got here. How about rope toy? Sadie will like that. What is that? What is that? What is it? They think you're weird and slightly scary. What are you?
Sadie's retreating with that one, so I like that.
Yeah? Okay, what about this?
I'm going to make that mine.
What is that? Yeah, there you go. There you go. What is that? What is that? Did you lose it? Did you lose it? They definitely like the bag. That's fun. You gonna pick out other toys?
Kids at Christmas, play with the box.
What about this one? What is that?
Nah.
Nah.
They're tired, aren't they?
They are tired. Except for you. Who are you?
Khalid.
Hi, Khalid. Ah, you gonna bite my fingers? What about this guy? What about this? Here's another squeaky. What is that? What is that, Khalid? Oh, you got it. You got it. Oh my goodness.
Oh, got him.
Oh, get it. What is that? What is that?
Sadie's on a mission now.
Oh, you can get that one.
See it on see the live stream as well, because it's hidden behind.
Sadie, the wall of Sadie.
Oh. Here he comes. He comes.
What is that?
Oh, he's going to play with his mummy. Next.
Oh, he's trying the rope toy out too. Oh, look at that tongue. Oh, such a big boy. That's Prince and Khalid. Oh, and Prince just went behind the water bowl. That's something they like to do lately. They are. Oh, and I call this frog legs. Look, that's a perfect frog leg example. If that isn't just the cutest thing you've ever seen. Sweet little puppy legs from out behind. You probably can't see that very well on the live stream, so this video will be up later. What do you have? What do you have? Are you playing with toys like a big boy? Huh? Huh? You getting that? Sadie's playing with toys.
The person picking up their lab next week was asking if we got any advice.
Oh. For actually selecting a pup?
No, for when they picked him up.
Wonder if they have other dogs at home. It's always a little tricky to introduce the new pup to any existing furry family members.
Yeah, making a safe place for them as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just if you have a kennel or a crate style set up for them, so they can just go and retreat in there with maybe we send ours back with a piece of blanket, don't we?
We do, yep. So all these puppies will go home with a square of blanket that Sadie has slept on so that they can be comforted by the scent of their mama when they're in a new place. Yeah.
That's a good girl.
What are you doing behind me here? What are you doing? Tickly tummy. Is that a tickly tummy? Oh, this is still Khalid. He's wide awake when everybody else is sleeping. Yeah, you go hang out with Mom? What's that? What's that? There's somebody else behind me here making noise. What are you doing? What are you doing? That's
Good one.
Kanye.
Strong one it is.
The force is strong with it. You good boy? Here you go, Kanye. Makes me sleepy being in here when they all start crashing out.
Oh no. You might hear Mr. HDL snoring in a little while.
You really like this bag, I know. What's this? What's that? Oh, that's fun.
Now, you aren't going to destroy this. I know what you're doing. You're systematically destroying that, aren't you? Yes. Don't be making them puppy eyes at it.
Is that delicious? Is that delicious?
I'm watching touching you, Sadie.
It looks like a little Brussels sprout, this rope ball.
Just because you got your back to me doesn't mean I don't know what you're doing.
Uh-huh.
Sadie pants. Sadie pants. Yes. You're a good girl. Yes, you are. Who's your there? So that's Khalid.
Khalid again. Yeah. Hey. Hey. He says, I don't need no stinking nap. It's playtime. It's playtime. Sadie says it's playtime too. With so much time and effort going into being a mama dog, it is fun to see her just chilling out and being a dog. Man's best friend. What are you doing? What are you doing?
So this is a really fundamental play toy, one of these, because you have to be careful with them for their aggression. If you get this, and they'll start being aggressive and try and snatch it and pull. So this is one of the ones you can use to just teach them, hey, I'll tell you when it's time, and you take it away from them, and you put it back. But Sadie's levels of aggression are
-1.
not that good. Apart from when she becomes evil Sadie.
Yes. We will have to show a video of that at some point.
Which is a jokey thing, by the way.
Yes, it is a jokey thing. Her alter ego, evil Sadie.
It's funny.
You are full of it. You are full of it, little Khalid. Yes, you are. You're full of it.
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the land of Nod. So maybe that will be my cue to go and try and get the bath time video done.
Mm-hmm. Everybody's waiting for it. All right, Khalid. Say see you later.
And fix the back door.
Oh, there he goes. You gonna lie down too, Khalid? Okay.